Konnichiwa guys, I'm Yoshi, Japanese moved to Auckland, New Zealand, live here since 2017 and now I'm taking up my bestie from Japan and I'm at the airport. Maybe I can, you guys take you to airport tour. The Auckland are, if you come from Tokyo or New York or something back, and then, the city size-wise, Auckland is not back. So means airport is also not back, not confused. Like just the first floor, ground floor, whatever called. I'm here like international departures, arrivals, and same, just the same floor. Now I'm at the international departures, and so the over super line, and then I don't want to say that, but if you want to go somewhere and then be aware, everyone work super slow. So I highly recommend that coming here if you're airplane 10 a.m. or something. I highly recommend that coming 7 just for your secure and safe. Yeah. And then I normally use like Air New Zealand, and Air New Zealand is like a self-check-in, so it's not fashy. Just getting something done, and just by yourself, and then you get ready your passport, and then it's not fashy, right? And also lately we're almost done construction. Yeah, we are almost done construction. The amazing like outside, and then drop off pick up terminal, and then I want to show you guys, but right now just hey, let's take a look at the airport. The packing stuff, and currency exchange. In New Zealand, we don't need cash. We don't. Not really. If you have a credit card, a Visa or something, you can do it. But if you wanna get the exchange, go for it. And then also, if your credit card or something, and you can use the ATM as well. Here, everyone are waiting. Pick up somebody, and here little dairy. So actually, from Japan, the Auckland don't have like a convenience store, daily type store. Just surprise. And then here, international arrival. Let's have a look. Tokyo, yes, that one. 5 to processing. My bestie are not coming yet, so okay, let's go for a walk. The information center. That's a SIM card. Yeah, SIM card. Yeah, SIM card is good idea to go. Yeah. In the city, and in the city, we have internet connection everywhere, but for like a suburbia, not great. Like hiking if you wanna go sightseeing, I highly recommend to get the SIM card. Yeah, the Spark, that's also a phone company. And if you were coming here as a tourist, I highly recommend to try the coffee flat white. The New Zealand coffee is brilliant. Seriously, here. Oh, it's quite different now. This is like this one used to be like a Dunkin' and Donuts. Something become the fancy store. And arrive here. And the airport, and then also the Auckland traffic jam is quite bad, so that's why. And airport here, and airport hotel. Why? Because super like if you were, the airport like early morning flight. You don't want to miss that. Is that much or worse? Is that really? Yeah, really. So the local, the Aucklander, if you want to go on the travel somewhere, normally, let's say Monday is leaving, so Sunday already stay in the airport hotel, and then park the car. The airport hotel usually keep your car safely in a week or 10 days or whatever. I don't remember. And then travel kind of. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Again, here the coffee as well. Yeah. No, I mean did you know? In Auckland, maybe we have. I don't remember like a detail, but we like a hug time limit should be 3 minutes or something. Have you ever heard that? I don't remember when was, but that's a established law or something. Is that? Yeah. And exceed 3 minutes, you have to pay the fine or something. Is that? Yeah. That's arrive here and car park, drop off, pick up, and then how to access to the city and get the shuttle to city, or and then car rental. Yeah, our public transportation system, that's not right. I'm proudly say that, not right. Yeah, but just if you access to the city, use the shuttle, easy. And then also that one, can you see that kind of van stuff? Yeah, easy. And taxi, yes we have. Uber, yes we have. But our Uber is not great. Like if you're a US person coming here, why not that much option? Because in our right now our Prime Minister is from national. I'm not sure he's national, but former Prime Minister from Labour. She really care about labor stuff, and then even like somebody Uber driver, you need like a paid holiday. That's wait, lady, that's not good. That's somebody wanna do the extra job, and then they need to paying the minimum wage, so they're ruining the competitive market. So that's why Uber not great. So if you're coming here really first time and you are taking the public transport, like a bus, ferry, train, get this like an 80 hop card, and then buying the card and then charge, and yeah, that's it. And then you're good to go. Yeah, this is it. See, this is brand new. Just lately, and right now, 6th of January 2025. Yeah, we just finally kind of finished that. And then be aware, Auckland, always under the construction, everything. Remember, our work is super slow. Yeah, and drop off, pick up, so yeah. Here, normally, no, not normally, like before remodel here, just the lane is single lane, but somehow double lane, and then yeah, that's great. And if you park here more than 3 minutes and somebody come, hey, what are you doing? You see? Here. Ta-da! What are you doing? And then you have to go 60 minutes parking lot like that. Yeah, that's it. If you were a tourist here, Auckland, New Zealand, welcome to New Zealand, enjoy. And if you were residents here, Auckland. I know it. You know it. I know it. Yeah. Anyway, about my channel, I will post New Zealand life and my investment, mental health, that kind of stuff. If you like that, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.